Hi students, welcome to our channel Physics Concepts by Ali sir. In the today's session, we are going to discuss about numericals based on this chapter, that is refraction through curved surface. Numericals are the most important, and now let us going to solve the sums in easiest way. And so first of all, read that sum. The focal length of a converging lens is 20 centimeters. An object is 60 centimeter from the lens. Where will the image formed and what kind of image is it? Whenever any one numerical is given, immediately first of all you have to see what type of lens is that. The lens name is not given. Instead of that, it was said converging lens. We know that converging lens is nothing but convex lens, and so immediately write convex lens. Convex lens has been given, and for this convex lens write the sign convention. What is the sign convention for convex lens? You know that u is equal to negative, v object distance is equal to negative, and image distance is positive, even focal length also positive for a convex lens. For solving a numericals for the board exam or in the competitive exam, first of all you should write given. What is given? Then here what is given? Now let us see. The focal length is given, that is equal to 20 centimeters. F is equal to 20 centimeters, and write the sign convention. Focal length is positive, so 20 centimeters as is take. And afterwards an object is 60 centimeter from the lens, and so object is just you take. Object distance is represents u. U is equal to how much given? 60 centimeters. Now apply the sign convention. Object distance is just represents with a negative sign. Given, this is the data given to us. Given, afterwards find. What we should find? Then we have to find out the image distance. Image distance is v is equal to question mark, and formula. What is the formula? And what is the formula associate with these three letters f, u, v? That is a lens formula. So what is the lens formula? Lens formula states that 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Lens formula we have taken, and here is then this is the formula what we will use, and from this formula then what we have to take 1 by v. No, so let us take 1 by v one side, and so send this minus 1 by u that side, minus 1 by u that side. Then what will happen? 1 by f plus 1 by u, then we will get, isn't it? 1 by v we are keeping this side, this minus 1 by u we are sending that side. Then now substitute the values. 1 by v is equal to 1 by f value how much is there, and that is 20, plus 1 by u. U value how much is that? Minus 60. So that we can take 1 by v is equal to 1 by 20 minus 1 by 60. Now let us take LCM for 20 and 60. Then what you will get? 20 ones 23s. 23s, that is equal to 60. And so 20 how many times? 3 times, minus sign. 60 how many times? 1 time. And so 2 by 60. You should be very careful here. 1 by v is equal to 2 by 60 instance. Now let us take the cancellation. 1 by 30. Okay, and 1 by 30. You are never supposed to left the answer like this. 1 by v is equal to 1 by 30 is not the answer it is asked. It is not asked reciprocal of the image distance. Asked only what is the image. So v is equal to, then what is that? V is equal to, just do the reciprocal, v by 1. V by 1 instance v. V is equal to 30 centimeters. This is the image distance. V is equal to 30 centimeters. Then you can check also the answer whether it is correct or not. And v is equal to, that is 30 centimeters. The sign is positive. And v is equal to positive. Okay, no? V is equal to positive, and here we got a positive value. And so that is we can say that is the exact answer. Next, one more also asked. What kind of image is it? What kind of image is that one? Yes, the v is equal to positive, and so the lens, the image is forming right side of the mirror lens, so that we can say that is a real image. The nature of the image in sense it is a real image. Okay, no? Just take a screenshot once, Nana. See here, Nana. See the second sum. A double convex lens has two surfaces of equal radii R, and refractive index n is equal to 1.5. Find the focal length f. So first what we have to see, which lens is given. What is the lens is given? That is a convex lens. Convex lens is given, and so here now it is said about a radius of curvature. Radius of curvature is given, and so for the radius of curvature, 2 radius of curvature, and so according to that one, what is the radius of curvature for convex lens? Then r1 is equal to positive, r2 is equal to negative according to the sign convention. R1 is equal to positive, R2 is equal to negative. How it is? Very simple. And this side is a convex lens, and this is a 2f1, f1 optic center, f2 to f2, and here is the R1, and this is R2. What we discussed, right side is positive, right side is positive, left side is negative, left side negative. So R1 is which side? Right side, so positive. R2 is which side? Left side, so negative. No need, nothing, no confusion at all. Okay, R1 is equal to positive, R2 is equal to negative. After writing the sign convention, write the given data. What is given? First you write given. What is given? That is a double convex lens. Okay, has two surfaces of equal radii. Means what? R1 is equal to R as well as R2 also R only, because equal radius is given, equal radii. Okay, na? Equal radii, each one is a R and R. So according to the sign convention, R1 is equal to R positive, R2 is equal to minus R. Okay, na? R2 is equal to minus R. And again, what else is given? Refractive index n is equal to 1.5 is given. Okay, and now what we have to find out? Given we have written find. What you should find? Then we have to find the focal length f is equal to how much? What formula we can apply? Then here is what is the relation between R1, R2, N and F? That is lens maker's formula. Lens maker's formula. Then what is that lens maker's formula? That can be taken as 1 by F is equal to N minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Okay, right? In this one, what we have to identify? Focal length has to be found. And so now let us see formula, and now let us go with the procedure, or also we can say that is the numerical process. And so now let us take, and otherwise calculation also you can take. 1 by F is equal to, write the data, n is how much is given? N is 1.5 minus 1 into 1 by R1 is how much is that? R1 is R minus as minus sign 1 by R2 is how much is that? Minus R. So that is equal to 1.5 minus 1, 0.5. 0.5 into 1 by R minus into minus plus. So 1 by R, that is equal to, can we write 1 by F is equal to 0.5 can be written as 5 by 10 also we can write now, 5 by 10. And afterwards here is 1 by R plus 1 by R, 2 by R we can write, isn't it? And so then what is this one? 5 ones, 5 twos, 2 ones, 2 ones. What is left now? 1 by F is equal to 1 by R is left. Ultimately what we will get? F is equal to R we will get. F is equal to R. See that, is it the correct answer? Absolutely correct answer. How it is the correct answer? For a convex lens, focal length is all the time, that is a positive. For convex lens, focal length is a positive. How can we say that one? And if we suppose to take a lens, no, and this is when we are taking then parallel to principal axis, the focus is forming right side. All the values on the right side is a positive, isn't it? And so the focal length is a positive. And so F is equal to absolutely right answer, that is. You can check the answer even like this also, no problem with that. Okay, right, Nana? Hi students, see here now, what is the focal length of double concave lens? Concave lens kept in air with the two spherical surface of radii. First radius is R1 is given, that is 30 centimeter, and second radius of curvature is 60 centimeter. Take refractive index of lens, n is equal to 1.5. You have to find out the focal length. Okay, now let us see then what is the data. First what we have to do, what is the given, it is a given a concave lens. So concave lens is given. For concave lens, write the data. Then what will be that in the concave lens? Then R1 is left side, isn't it? R1 is left side, and so then what we can consider, this R1 is equal to, then we can consider as a negative, and R2 is equal to, that is a right side, and so that we can take that is a positive. Okay, remaining all we will take as it is. And now first of all, now let us see. Then what we have to do, first of all, given. What is the data given to us? The data given to us is, then radius of curvature. R1 is equal to, how much is given? 30. Apply the sign convention, so that is a minus 30. And R2 is equal to, how much is given R2? That is a 60. So plus 60, if you are writing, not writing, no matter. For n there is a no sign convention, so n as it is we will take, n is 1.5 and given. Next what we have to take, we have to take then find. What you should find, what is asked to find out? Focal length is asked, and so focal length is equal to, how much is that? That is equal to question mark we have to take. And what is the formula then associate with these all? The formula what it is associate with R1, R2, F and N is lens maker's formula. Lens maker's formula. And so what is that lens maker's formula tells you 1 by F is equal to n minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. And so here is. Then what is the next one you should do? That is a procedure or a calculation, anything we can take. And so 1 by F is equal to, substitute the values. N value how much is given? That is a 1.5 minus 1 into 1 by R1 value how much is given? Minus 30 and minus 1 by R2 value how much is given? 60. Okay, then this is equal to 1.5 minus 1, what we can consider? 0.5 into minus 1 by 30 minus 1 by 60. Okay, this is equal to 1 by F is equal to 0.5 can be written as 5 by 10 we can write now. 0.5 in sense very simple. Take 0.5 into 10 by 10. So 1 decimal and 1 0 will go. So what will be left? 5 by 10 is there. In this way just we can do. Okay now. And so that is. Then again now let us take minus outside. Take here, no problem in that. And so what will be now here is 1 by 30 plus 1 by 60. And again now find the LCM for 30 and 60. 30, 60. Now let us find the LCM. 31s, 32s. LCM 32s, 60. And so then here is. Then this is a cancel 5 1s, 5 2s. Minus 1 by 2 into 30 is 60 is the LCM. Sorry, 30 into 2, 60 is LCM. 30 how many times? 2 times. What is the sign is there? Plus a sign is there. 60 how many times? 1 time. And so then what will be left now? That is equal to, ultimately what we are getting? 1 by F is equal to minus 1 by 2 into 2 plus 1, 3 by 60. How many times can possible? 3 ones, 3 20s can possible. So minus sign is continuing, minus 1 by 40 will come. And so this is the value for 1 by F, Nana. 1 by F is equal to minus 1 by 40. Then we need focal length, right? So reciprocal, F is equal to minus 40. Is this right answer? F is equal to minus 40, is this right answer? Absolutely right answer. How it is? See, what is that lens? Concave lens. For convex lens, focal length is positive. For concave lens, focal length is negative. Keep that in mind. Okay, no? Of course, we should write even the units also, centimeter. Understood? In this way, just we can take down. This is the sum. Okay, right? Now, see the next sum. The focal length of a plano-convex lens is 2r. Okay? Focal length of a plano-convex lens is 2r. Find the refractive index of the lens. So, here now first of all, understand the sum. What is the lens is given? Plano-convex. So, plano-convex is given. Now, let us take the illustration. Plano-convex. So this is a convex lens. Which convex? Plano convex. And so this side we can consider as R1 and this side we can consider as R2. Okay, and here according to the sign convention, now let us take sign convention. Then what will be that sign convention? According to the sign convention, then what you will get now, R1 is equal to what is given? The focal length of a plano convex is given. Okay, that we will take first sign convention. Let us write R1 is equal to, now let us assume that the radius of curvature is R. R1 is equal to R. Right side values are positive, so we will take as a positive. And R2 is equal to, you should have an idea, the radius of any one plane surface, flat surface is infinite. We cannot define the radius of curvature of a plane surface. If a flat surface is there, we cannot find the radius of that curvature, so we will consider as infinite. And so then what will happen? R2 is equal to, then we can consider that is a infinite value, we can consider that is a infinite. Anyhow, according to the sign convention, that should be taken negative. There is no meaning in that, but let us write the negative sign. And here what is the data given to us? Now the given. What is given to us? Now let us see what is the given is. R1 is equal to, let us assume that is a plus R, and R2 is equal to, then according to the data, plano convex, and apart from that what else also given? The focal length F is equal to 2R. For convex lens, focal length is a positive, and so F is equal to 2R we will consider. And so then by this data what formula we can apply? What is asked to find out? Given find. What you should find? Find focal length. Focal length should be found. So focal length question mark we have to take. Focal length how much is that? And formula. What is the formula? It is for this one. The formula, then which formula is associated with R1, R2, F and N, and focal length? Then focal length is given, and then find the refractive index. Sorry, the refractive index, a small correction. Refractive index. Refractive index represents which letter? N. So N we have to find. So then what is the formula? 1 by F is equal to N minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Now let us take. So in this one, now let us, then next one is the procedure, and what we can take for that is a procedure. So substitute the values in this one. 1 by F value how much is given? 2R is given. 1 by 2R is equal to N we have to find out, so N minus 1 into 1 by R1 is how much is that? R1 is a R minus 1 by minus infinite, and here 1 by infinite value that is equal to 0. 1 by infinite is a 0, just you keep that in mind. 1 by infinite is equal to 0. And so then what will you get now? 1 by 2R is equal to N minus 1 into, this part becomes 0, no? This entire part will becomes 0. So then what we can consider? 1 by R minus 0. So 1 by, that implies 1 by 2R is equal to N minus 1 into 1 by R minus 0, 1 by R. And this R and this R get cancels. So 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to N minus 1. That implies N 1 by 2 in sense 0.5. 0.5 is equal to N minus 1. Then flip flop, right? LHS, RHS, RHS, LHS. So N minus 1 that is equal to 0.5. That implies N is equal to, the 0.5 send this minus 1 that side. So 0.5 plus 1. That is equal to, ultimately N is equal to 1.5. Okay, no? Refractive index does not have any units, that is why there is no units. Only thing you should be very familiar with this one is a plano convex instance you should draw like this, and a plane surface radius of curvature is infinite, and 1 by infinite is equal to 0. These two values you have to keep in mind. Okay, Nana? Right. And next we will see another one. And light also there here, and find the focal length of plano convex lens when it is radius of curvature is R and N is the refractive index of lens. And see what is given in the application, find the focal length of a plano convex lens. What lens is given again? That is a plano convex. So plano convex lens. Now let us draw the illustration. So plane surface and a convex surface. Plano convex. Plane surface, convex surface. Plano convex lens. And so this side is R1, we used to suppose to take R, and this is R2, that is equal to, we know that the surface of plane surface radius is infinite. How much is that? That is infinite, we used to consider. Now let us take as usual before some sign convention. Then what is the sign convention for this one? Sign convention, R1 is equal to, that is right side, and so that will take it as a positive, and R2 is equal to left side, so we can take that is a negative, minus. And what is the data given? The data is not given anything, and directly it is asked to find out the length of a plano convex, and so given, and okay, right. Now let us find directly the formula. What is the formula we can use? The formula which associate with, then here is radius of curvature, this all things is 1 by f is equal to n minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2, and given formula, and what is asked to find? What is asked to find? So then the find is a focal length. Focal length has to be found, focal length. And so then actually the focal length should be here, and here it is there's a focal length has to be found. So f is equal to question mark, and here now let us just then what is the next one is then procedure, we can go for that. And what is the procedure or the calculation part? So 1 by f is equal to n minus 1, n value no change, 1 by r1 is how much is that? R1 is r minus 1 by, minus sign is there, minus, and R2 is equal to how much is that? R2 is equal to negative, minus negative we can take, minus negative no, minus infinite we will take, and this one we will take here, and so then what will happen? 1 by f is equal to n minus 1 into 1 by r, this part becomes minus into minus plus, 1 by infinite is already we know that 1 by infinite value, that is equal to 0, and so minus 0. Then 1 by f is equal to n minus 1 into 1, let us take 1 by r minus 0 is 1 by r. So ultimately 1 by f is equal to n minus 1 into 1, n minus 1 by r. Don't leave the answer like this, you will be lose some marks, and you have to write a focal length. So reciprocal you should write, and so f by 1 is equal to r by n minus 1. This is the actual value that we can consider as in the, if it is given in the centimeters, meters, centimeters, whatever means, because that is focal length measures in the either centimeters or meters. Okay, right. I hope that this session is very much helpful for you, and numericals is the most easiest one. I hope this session will be helpful for you a lot of extent, and please support me, Nana. Wish you all the best.